Hello, welcome back. I am Aditi Sinha from IBM Storage Product Team. This is the second video in my series on IBM Storage Scale Consistent Safeguarded Copies on IBM Storage Product Server. And today we are diving into wrapper script and restore script. If you haven't seen the first part, make sure to check it out, but let's jump right in. Now let's talk about wrapper script, isnap-wrapper.sh. So here I have connected to Bonjovi VM99 using client which is deployed on this system only. And the wrapper script can be used to schedule SGC operations such as creation, deletion, etc. Whatever scripts we just saw. So if we want to do not go and run these scripts manually, we want to schedule these scripts at particular time period, we can use this isnap wrapper script. So let's to use the script, first we have to create a node. So I have already created a node for this. Let's go and check this node. So I have created a isnap scheduler node which will go and execute the script for the isnap wrapper script. And then it will be responsible for scheduling the isnap scripts we want to schedule according to our need. Now and then it is going to schedule something, then we have to create some schedules also. So I have already created, let's go and check these schedules. So I have created two schedule. We can see schedule is isnap create and isnap delete. So okay, so we have this isnap create schedule which is associated to isnap scheduler, and then isnap delete schedule which is also associated with the isnap scheduler node. Okay, now we have, since we are creating these schedules, we have to to edit the DSM sys file and DSM OPT file in our Bonjovi VM99 client. So let's go and check those files also. Information is written in the dsm.sys file. Let's see this file. Okay, so I have defined a isnap scheduler with the node name isnap scheduler, and its server name is isnap scheduler, which is going to be used by the dsm.opt file, which we are going to see next. And then we have to create a dsm.opt file for this sys. So we have created a dsm isnap scheduler.opt, which will point to this sys server name. Similar to what we do in a client configuration when we want to connect to a server. So here we are connecting to a node which has the name isnap scheduler, and it is going to schedule some commands for us, and whatever we are executing in our schedules, which is isnap create and isnap delete. So these schedules are managed by and it is the IBM Storage Product Client Acceptor daemon. And whatever this logs is going to, this scheduler is going to execute, it is log file dsm error if the error is generating, and dsm isnap scheduler if whatever logs has been generated. So if we want to see some logs, we can see that. Yeah, okay, so here we can see that schedule isnap create just started for TSM inst2 using the script usr isnap wrapper. So here comes the role of the isnap wrapper script, which is going to schedule isnap script under its scheduler. And whatever the scripts, whatever has been scheduled by isnap wrapper script is going to be stored in the log directory, which is located here. Var log isnap. Here we can see it has the logs which were created by the isnap wrapper script whenever it executes. So we had created two schedules in the wrapper script, which was for creation and deletion of the snapshot. So here we can see whatever were the logs generated by this wrapper script. So here we can see it has created some snapshot on June 1. Similarly, it has been creating snapshots every day. Let's move on to isnap restore script. So whatever snapshots we are creating, we have to restore at the time of need. for the snapshot for the SP server, then we use this script. The restoration of safeguarded copies also runs in 3 phases. The first phase is check that the instance is down. So, and then restore all the relevant storage scale file sets using the restore fs command, which is the scale command. And then the phase 2 is restart the instance DB and resume the instance DB2. And then the phase 3 is start the storage protect instance in foreground but in maintenance mode. So whatever snapshot we created, it gets started, but we have to again halt the server and start in normal mode, because the server which we get after restoration is in maintenance mode. But now the server is running. Let's check. The server is still running, so we cannot execute this snap restore. But let's try to execute this one and let's see what is the error. For example, I want to restore it to the snapshot with using this snapshot name. So we have to specify the snapshot name what we are going to restore using -s parameter. So it is showing that the instance is still running and it must be stopped for restore. So let's stop the instance. So we halt the server. Okay, so now we can see that the SP server services have been stopped. Only the scheduler services are running, which do not impact the server's services. Now we can run the same iSnap restore.
With this, we have reached to the end of this video series. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.